We know that AI is accelerating faster than the speed of light, but like I mentioned earlier, our responsibility is to move faster, particularly when it comes to accountability, governance, cybersecurity, data privacy, and most importantly, the people's interest.
As we gather here together, I just want us to have some conversations around some of the things that we have currently done. And for a start, my Department of Computer Science, that was just a department in Faculty of Science in the University of Lagos, has now become a faculty of its own, offering cybersecurity, software engineering, even artificial intelligence as a course. We are the first country that put together what we call Artificial AI Collective, that got all Nigerians in different parts of the world to come together to develop the most comprehensive artificial intelligence strategy. We are far ahead of United States. United States has the equivalent of NDPC. The only state in the United States that has anything close to that was California. These are indications of how much progress that we have made.
So before I get into the questions I have for the panel session, for the panelists, I just want to be sure that we are all aligned on one thing, which is whether we should have an AI Act in the first place.
Every regulation that is required for AI is already available. There are regulations for everything, media, medical, whatever, it's already there. AI is not something new or different. It's just an amplification of the things we already do.
So let's get that noted, that regulation, if we must use that word, must entail coordination of AI's development and use and promotion.
Nigeria need a universal framework called university, which can then be domesticated. I'm a professor. I have postgraduate students from almost every other university in the country. Okay, now, if they are coming from whatever they believe from their university, will you work in my university? So we need something that is actually holistic.
I'm of the opinion that if the African continent can come together and probably play that AI diplomacy, maybe we can actually have our own Taiwan semiconductor and be able to, build certain GPUs collectively.